Here's a fourth question, article views. Now there is a table called as views. There are 4 different columns: article ID, author ID, viewer ID, and view date. Now here they are saying that there is no primary key, but each row of this table indicates that some viewer viewed an article written by some author on some date. Right now, if the author ID and viewer ID is the same, logically it means that the author himself is the viewer, right? That's the solution that we have to write now. So the question is, write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. That means author ID should be equal to viewer ID. So that's when we have to retrieve the result. Now we have to return the result in table sorted by ID in ascending order. We'll discuss this now while writing the solution. So if you see, this is the input table and this is the output table, wherein there is a column called as ID, and it is in order. It is in ascending order. Okay. Now let's write a solution. So the first step is selecting our column. Okay, so we have to select distinct author ID. Why distinct? Because we just want the question is not about how many times the author has read his own article. The question is about if the author has read his own article at least once. Okay, so that's why we select distinct author ID as ID. So why do we use this alias? We use this because that's how we want the output to be. We want the output to be as ID. It shouldn't be segregated as author ID or viewer ID. It should be just one ID. That's it. Okay. Then the next step is to select from which table do you want to retrieve the data. So we want to take the data from the table views. And then what's our condition? Our condition is author ID equal to viewer ID. Then the last part of this query is ordering it. How do you want to order it? Do you want to order it by author ID or viewer ID? No, we don't want to order it by any of those. We want to order it. The question clearly says that it should be ordered by, it should be sorted by ID in ascending order. So we have created an alias ID. Let's use the same alias in ordering it. So if you're not specifying a descending order here, DESC, it means that it automatically assumes that it should be in ascending order. Let's run this query. Okay, so the test case is a pass.